In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to redeem a PS5 gift card for V-Bucks. So the first thing we need to do is to just go on Fortnite here on our PS5, as you can see, and then scroll all the way to the right here until you get to this page right here, where you can see V-Bucks. So I'm just going to take this one here as an example. So let's say I want to be able to get this right here, but using my gift card. So I'm just going to click on purchase right here. And then what you need to do in here is to just click on these three dots right here in the bottom right corner, as you can see, and then click on change payment method. And then in here, just scroll all the way to the right and click on redeem codes and gift cards. So in here, you need to now enter the 12-character voucher code that you should be able to get on your gift card. I think it's on the back side, obviously, for you, and you need to check it, and then you can enter it right here and then click on redeem. So now when you have done so, then you should be able to use that gift card to be able to actually purchase something from or purchase basically this like V-Bucks right here, as you can see. And you should be able to see right here also that it says like charge to wallet, for example. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.